Finally, Escorts Kubota launched new backhoe loader powered by Kubota engine. Kubota engine is famous for its high performance and exceptional durability. Now, I will explain three major key features of BLX75K. Firstly, industry-leading fuel efficiency. By combining the fuel-efficient Kubota engine with an electrically controlled variable displacement pump, we have achieved significant lower fuel consumption than previous model. Exact fuel consumption figures remain a secret, but we are confident you will be impressed. The new system enables switching between power mode and eco mode. The second is its high durability and excellent working performance. We are utilizing new generation loader arm and new generation backhoe end. Introduced with BLX75, launched this year. Since its launch, it has earned high recognitions. The loader cylinder is changed to a bigger diameter one, which enhances the lifting capacity. The boom cylinder is also changed to a bigger one. They realize outstanding performance. The third feature is spacious cabin and operability. Let's take a look inside the cabin. BLX series has a 6-pillar cabin. With fewer pillars, it features such large windows. The high visibility cabin supports your efficient operation. And look at this high-grade interior. Digital cluster, new switches, and the high-grade sheet. The control levers adapt an ergonomic design. The throttle pedal is electrically controlled. These provide comfortable and smooth operation. Escorts Kubota is proudly launching BLX75K powered by Kubota engine.